Sup guys, we're doing a chicken speed run. I know I don't know why I sound like this. It's not what I actually sound like. Also, Neuter, if you're Neuter the Monkey, if you're watching, I'm a big fan. I'm definitely subscribed. So we're gonna be doing chicken runs. I don't need bombs, but I do want the crates, even though I have ray guns. So what I'm gonna do, so there's the new update is here. Gives the most money to the richest person. So if I sell a gold bar is gonna be worth 150, so it's gonna be 2 times that. So it's gonna be 300. Carter, can you stop? So it's like normal stuff. So Carter, can you turn it down? Carter! Oh crap. Oh, I thought it was about to come after me. Carter! I'll waste a bunch of time. Whoa! Whoa, okay buddy, okay. Once I do this, you're okay. Okay, quick, hold that. Dynamite, okay, good. Okay, good. Hurry. Just grabbing whatever I can. Instead of, here's the egg. Instead of, just taking it with a ray gun, because there's also crates. Or, I already said that. Gold bar. Okay, toilet paper. And that's it. And a bunch of snowballs. Okay, now I can head back. I'm a little heavy. And see what I got. Ugh. And I obviously don't know how to cut, so whatever. Sucks for me. Big fat ugly ogre after a big heavy chubby boy. I can't run. Wait. Ah! I'll show you. Okay, I can't sell my bag because I've got the dynamite, the 2 ray guns, and 2 other grapplers. So I'm gonna sell this. Come on. I think that's it. Banana? Wait, let me see if that's it. Okay, yeah, I was right. This time I'm gonna use dynamite. And my bag is gonna be full of explosives. If I get any more explosives than 2, I'll sell them. So it gave me 600. So 2 times that, I don't know. That's 200. I don't know actually. I don't know if it works. So I'm a Carter. Hey Carter. Sorry, that's my little brother. Let me go to my room. I'm gonna change my room. Okay, so now I'm in my room. There's a big circle, so I can run into the wall, or whatever it is. Go back in, boom. It should be like that. It's a little quiet in here now. Now you can actually think and hear what I'm saying. I wish I had the mic where I can just scream now at people. Instead of like, stop it! Make me like And I do have an Xbox. I got it from my early birth. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. There's a lot more stuff. Ha! Ah! Missed. Of course I missed. Okay, so I guess I throw some dynamite. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the top right here. Go a little right there. And I'm gonna light it, drop it, back, go down, and boom! Aha! Another one of these bad boys. Oh, that's better. And I don't gotta miss. Empty roll of toilet paper. We love empty roll of toilet paper. Come on. I thought it was a gold pipe. No, yeah, a gold pipe. They made it where the egg doesn't go bye-bye. What? Oh, wait, what is that? Oh, it's a rubber duck. There's another rubber duck. No, that's a banana. A cocoa banana. Me going cocoa bananas. Okay. I'm just skibbity toilet Twizzler. So, I actually don't need this crossbow, so I can just go. I can go. So I actually wasted 2. I'm gonna get like so much money. Probably. It's better off staying on the ceiling in case I fall and I'm really slow. But if I'm like really heavy, it makes me where I can't even go up with my grappler. But they made it where the egg spawns back. That's really good. So the present update, the one with the present and the eyes, they should have made it where the chicken would spawn in. Okay, that would be like really good. Toilet paper. Is it not it? I gotta don't. Okay. Actually no. Oh, stop. This time I'm not gonna waste money on it, so I'm gonna use that. Because bananas. There's a lot of stuff. There is bananas over there. I don't feel like going over there. Kind of scary. Scary! Spooky fairy dust and then boogers down your spine. Let me go up. Oh. Okay. A cocoa banana. A little banana. I do not feel like selling any grapplers. After this last one, I'm gonna go in 1, 2, 3. So it's a war lobby. In case you wanna do war. Oh my word! How did bro not see me? The blinking of a blink of a. Bottle is gonna fall. Yeet. What is that? Is it literally just? Oh, that's a Coke. That's a Coke. Some mommy macaroni. No, I sold my crossbow, didn't I? If I miss this, I gotta grab the ray gun. Perfect. Is that revolver ammo? Let's go. My stupid. Ooh, yep, a golden yacht monkey statue. Another Coke can. Boom. Banana. Boom. Umbrella. Boom. Gold bar. Boom. Anything. Where's a Coke can? Oh, I don't want to get in his way when he spawns back. He's scary. Cookie berry billet and then boogers down your spot. It's much more fun to say boogers down your spine than shivers down your spine. Boogers just sounds right. I don't know. I'm a goofy-eyed kid. A goofy-eyed monkey. Okay. I'm mumbling to myself. Oh my word. The grappler goes, wait! Oh, okay, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone, it's gone. Oh, the poo-poo bananas. I meant to say cuckoo bananas, not poo-poo bananas. Poo-poo bananas. I'm gonna save that on there. Throw that on there. Gotta go poo-poo bananas. Get over here. Throw that on there. Throw that in there. That stuff respawn. Oh yeah. I might find a revolver. But I'll save it. I'll save it. Is it gonna get me? So, oh! Wait, so how much was it? It was 3. 3, 4. That's, I don't know. I don't know my math. I don't know my math. 1, 2, 3. It's a war code. They do war. Oh my word, there's 20,000 people.
Oh my mother truck.
Can somebody buy me a revolver? Can someone buy me a revolver? There wasn't just a bunch of chicken wings.
Blue, what are you doing with your life?
What are you doing with your life?
You suck, Blue. You suck.
Dang.
Yeah, no.
Trying to get anywhere.
No.
Why is there a bunch of bags with nothing?
Whoa, something's in here.
Squeak that!
I'm a legend.
Do it. Yo,
Blue sucks ass in this game. I'm not gonna lie, he sucks. I'm going. Blue, you suck. Oh my gosh, you're the worst I've ever seen in my life.
Bro, aid me. Here, I got you. Boy.
Blue, you suck. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. You suck, Blue.
Dang.
You suck, buddy. It's embarrassing.
Give me that back.
Oh my word, that scared me so bad.
How did I not die?
Went up there.
How did I not die?
I lived somehow. I somehow lived.
Goofy yeah.
Got me, big boy.
Help me! Loading! He's a red watch! Get him!
People keep killing.
Can someone tell me a revolver?
Hey, you left.
He's a red watch!
I'm a legend.
Can someone tell me a revolver? Oh, I see a bag.
No, frick you, Buster.
Wait, I got an idea. I got a very good idea. Oh, crap.
Get him. He's red watch.
Not today, buddy.
Get him. He's red watch.
Yeah, actually, get him. Get the... Oh, there's nobody up here this time. That's just a random guy. Wait, how do I have $3,000? Where? Where's the ogre? I see a red watch and he left the game.
Guys, how do I do a glitch?
Dang,
so
they
much money?
literally... Yeah, get his glitch. Nah. Not good.
Yeah, they got fucking 180.
There's somebody.
I got some guy for him. This guy stole my stuff. Oh, it's a hot Cheeto. How delicious. I'll give you this.
Ooh, a freshly made hoverboard.
We killed RPG, kid. Who wants to be my friend? Me.
I'll put him up on.
Yeah.
It blasts me towards. Jeez, you scared me! Bro, Mother!
Red watch.
Hi.
Kill him. Red watch. There's a red watch. Can you talk for me?
I can't get it.
Get the red watch. Red watch are bad. Wait,
I've got an idea.
Dark green? Like right there.
Oh crap!